How to get a child bride. I get asked this every now and some trolls out there like to accuse me of such. And that's probably what people ask because they believe what the trolls are saying. But anyhow, both cases are people wanting to partake in something that they can't partake in. But anyhow, let's dispel this myth and let's talk about the reality. So, first of all, someone has to be 18 years old in order to enter into a marriage contract in the country of the Philippines, which means my wife, Kimberly, had to be at least 18 years old in order for me to marry her. So Kimberly wasn't allowed to get onto the internet until she was 18 years old. So no phone, no internet until she was 18 years old. I met her on Facebook, which means she had to be over the age of 18 before I met her. So this dispels the idea that the trolls have that I met her before she was 18 and was dating her before she was 18. I met her on Facebook, and she wasn't allowed on Facebook until she was 18 years old. So now we have she was over 18 when she got married, and she was over 18 when I started talking to her. So here's the reality of it. So the first time I went to the Philippines to meet her was in July of 2018. She was 19 at the beginning of July, and I went for her birthday party. So she went from 19 to 20 the first time that I went to see her in person. We got married in March of 2019, which means she was 20 years old when we got married. We started dating in April of 2018 online, which means that she was also 19 years old whenever we started dating. As far as whenever we started talking as friends, well, there you go. She had to be over 18, so I don't remember exactly when we started talking, because we were just friends at the time, didn't care. So, 19 to 18 when we started talking, 19 when we started dating, 20 years old whenever we got married. Perhaps one reason that people ask me that question is because I'm 5'11" and Kimberly is 4'7", so that's a pretty considerate size difference. But her parents are not much taller than Kimberly, so relative to things, she's not actually short at all. It's just between me and her, there's a fairly large height difference.